Hydrodipping is a new trending way to paint your personal stuff. It's easy, not expensive, and you got some really good results. All you need is graffiti, water and a bin. Although it seems really easy and obvious, there are some potential mistakes that could be very easily made. It's not just throwing some paint on water and dipping everything you want in it. But when you do it flawlessly, you can really pimp your stuff. That's why we will show you how to do it. First, tape everything you don't want to paint and make sure to cut it perfectly for the most neat result. Fill your bin with water, enough to submerge your entire object you want to paint. Now you can start spraying. Don't go too close because you will get a splash effect and get dropped. At the end, spray really soft and a bit closer to fill the middle. As you can see, we have sprayed the object already once to prevent places without paint. This is optional. Start dipping with a corner first, submerge the full object slowly. Push the remaining paint away and get it out. Let it dry for at least 1 day or more, depending on the thickness of the paint. Remove the tape and you're done. Here's another example. These are the results. We hope you've learned and you can get as good results as we got. If you have any requests for the next video, leave a comment. See you in the next one where we will teach you how to do everything.